Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech command prompt video. In Windows today, most people just use the graphical interface. However, Windows has a long history of working from a command prompt. In fact, before there was Windows, there was the DOS command prompt. The command prompt is still alive and well in Windows, although being replaced with both GUI applications and also the new Windows PowerShell. A lot of the commands, even in PowerShell, are aliased and still work using the command prompt commands. It's important to know these so that you can automate things, do things more efficiently if it's a repetitive task. So we're going to delve in this series into using the command prompt. There are several ways of getting to the command prompt. One is to do the Windows key followed by the R or Run key and type CMD. When you press enter, it will open a Windows command prompt window. I'm going to close that. I can close it either by Xing out or typing exit. I can also come down to the search bar in Windows 10 and type CMD. And when I do, it will bring up the command prompt, and if I click on it, it will start it. Sometimes you need to run as an administrator. So to do this, if you type command in the search bar and then you right-click on the command prompt and click Run as Administrator, you can start it as administrator. Now it's going to ask for your administrator password. So I'll type in my administrator password. And now my command prompt opens. Now, sometimes I need a larger font. You notice this opened as a smaller font than the other, only because I'd already changed the size of that one. Up in the title bar, if I right-click, come down to Properties, I can go to Font, and I can change the size, and let's make it a bigger size so it'll be easier to see for these videos. And now I have opened my command prompt to a larger size. Now, this time instead of Xing out, I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to type exit, and that will close it out. Now, that's how we get in and out of the command prompt. In the next series of videos, we'll be looking at different commands that you can run from the command prompt. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.